Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for drop-down box in our playwright by using for TypeScript and JavaScript. Okay, basically drop-down how it will look like, and you can see this is one kind of drop. Okay, and you can select for any kind of name. Okay, like this you can choose for any name. Okay, and that name we are need to find that inside the drop-down we can able to select and we can able to verify that particular value, or else we can able to see like in this particular any value is presented which we are going to choosing one. Okay, if we inspect for this particular one, the tag become a select. Okay, there is a tag. Okay, the tag, and if you expand this particular tag we have some list of options. Okay, list of options. In that list of options you can see so many values we have, right? By using that any value we can able to find it. Okay, if you see for selenium with the java and any other kind of approaches. Okay, and there is a like drop downs have different kind of drop downs. Okay, one is normal select tag, and another one is multiple select, multiple selected dropdowns, and some of jQuery dropdowns, and some of the things don't have any select and they have for UL tags, and some of dev tags. Like this, so many different kind of dropdowns we have in a real time. Even we can say if you open for any app which is booking for bus or flight. Okay, now they are going to selecting like it's a auto populated. If you click for Mumbai or if you click for Delhi, which is first drop down, the flight. Okay, or bus starting position and destination position. Okay, if you choose that one and if you click a starting of two or three letter, auto population will come in. Even if you go for Google and search like Google, and here now just I mentioned for LO. Okay, after that you can see so many auto population values are coming. In this we need to choose for anything, right? This kind of drop downs also we have in our real time. Okay, based upon that we need to choose. In this particular video I'm going to covering this particular selected drop down. Okay, and next I will cover for multiple drop down. Okay, later on I will check for any auto populated and jQuery drop downs, how we can able to select those things. I will explain you in the last. Okay, now I'm going to use for this particular select drop down to select it. How we can able to select? You see, if you go for selenium text, we have for three options, right? One is visible text, and another one is value, and another one is index position. These are the three different kind of things we are going to select in drop down value in select. The similar format we are going to select by using for visible text and value and index position. These are the three options we can able to choose. Okay, how we can able to choose and how we can able to implement this one. Okay, now I'm going to first inspecting environment. Okay, and this is basically 1 minute, getting some call. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to take for this particular IDE. Okay, the select tagging purpose. Okay, now if I'm going to here, okay, first I'll create for the path. Okay, the path we can able to create by test, and here again I'm going to choose for here drop down, and I'm going to see async APIs, and inside that we are going to placing for page, and then we are going to create the function. Okay, and now I'm going to copy for page dot go to, and then we need to use it here await condition await, then page dot locator, and this locator I need to specify this particular hash ID. Okay, and then we'll copy this URL and I'm going to paste it here to URL navigation purpose. Okay, then here we have for select option. Okay, see select option, select text. There are two options it is presenting. Okay, you can choose for any one of them, and if you choose for select text, okay, and we can see for this method waiting for accessibility check, then the focus element will be select all its text contains. If the label or something it is presented, then it will check. Okay. If select by options, if you see this select by option, it will take by value or label or index. Any three of them it will take and it will select. Okay. This method is they are going to raising for here the select and option. If there is an option and green and it is presented and this is the values are present. If you want to select on that particular select element, element dot select, and if you specify the blue and it will come for, and if you element dot label, by using the label if you want to use the blue then you can able to use the blue. Okay, label is nothing but this particular upper r and all is there, right? That is called label. Options mean this is the option. Okay, this value of the option. Okay, if you want to index position you can take it. In case if you have multiple values to select, then you can able to specify that array of index. That way also we can able to select it. Okay, these are the two different kind of approaches we can able to use by using for select options. Okay, in this select option now I'm going to choosing for one of them like label. Okay, and that label you can see in square braces we can label the indication, and what indication we can able to specify. In here you can able to take any kind of label, that is China or something, Australia, then I'm going to take for Australia as a my label. Okay, now I'm specifying here. Okay, and now await page dot await time, going to specify 5000 because we need to see whether it is selecting for Australia or not. All right, then I'm going to run my program. Now here I'm going to use for drop down spec.tst. Okay, now you can see here you can now you will also. Now see Australia got selected. Okay, now after that it will close the process. Okay, this is the one way approach we can able to select. Okay, and another one is like we can, if you want, if you want to select by directly without specifying the label. Okay, you don't want to specify the label but you want to select by the particular visible text. Okay, then how we can able to mean, just you can remove this particular curly braces and also remove for this labels. Okay, this also it will work as same. Okay, now again I'm going to run this one. I'm saving. Okay, now again I'm going to have. Okay, now it is going to start the browser. See, Australia got selected. Okay, in case maybe you'll get for question mark whether it will be selected default as Australia or not. See, after refreshing, United States is the first option, it is selected as a first value. Okay, then we can able to select by using anything. Okay, and now here and second case, now both the cases label and normal direct spacing both are same. This will work as a visible text. Visible text, which is the visible, we can able to see that visible text. By using that we can able to select it, the similar format it will work. Okay, next by using for value, what kind of value we can able to use. If this is the values option, after that value is there, no, that called value. Okay, that by using value we can able to take. Now I'm going to take as a value as a UK. Okay, and here I'm going to use for value, and the value is UK. Okay, now our intention is to selecting for UK in a drop down. Okay, now you can see. Now see, United Kingdom got selected. Okay, as we expected, it is 100% working as expected, right? Now we are able to select by visible text and also by value we can able to select, right? Now whether we can able to select by index position by using index position, whether we can able to select by using index position or not, how we can able to know about it, right? Index position basically it will start for 0, right? 0 1 2 3. Okay, 3 is a Germany. Okay, and then I'm going to specify for index. That index will accept for index positions numbers. Okay, integer values. Now I specify for index position. Okay, now again we are going to run. Now which is the value it is presented for index of 3, that particular value we can able to see selected in our drop down. See, Germany got selected. Okay, as we expected, that is the Germany, that Germany need to be selected by using the index portion we can able to select it, right? These are the ways we can able to select by using select drop down. Okay, and if you want to assert something for that particular drop down, whether we can able to do for assertion or not. Yes, we can able to assert. What all, how many types assertion we can able to applicable this one, and we can able to check inside that particular dropdown how many number of uh, values are presented in that particular dropdown. This way we can able to select, and also we can able to select complete dropdown values, and inside that particular dropdown whether we have expected value is presented or not. These are the two ways we can able to select, right? Now I'm going to do for some assertion kind of things. Okay, now we can able to see the previous to have the count function, to have count function, right? That count function we can able to use, and counting counts equal to await page dot locator. Okay, page dot locator, and we need to find exact locator to finding for all the options, right? Now I'm going to use for id. You can say set hash country. It is able to find it after that option. Okay, you can see 10 options are presented. Okay, we are able to count for 10 options. Then I'm going to take the 10 options and single quotation and specify. Okay, now we are able to read 10 option values. Okay, now I need to check whether this count is expected count is perfect or not. Now here I'm going to use for counts, then to have count. Okay, what count we need to expect in 10. Okay, now this 10 is whether validated or not. See, it got passed. Okay, we are able to expecting for 10, that 10 got passed. Okay, this is the one way we can able to expect for a session. Okay, and even we can able to get for all the values, and we can able to get the number like length. Now we are randomly provided, just we are reading the value and making the count, right? Why can't we take for length of that entire drop down, right? That how we can able to do it. Now again I'm taking this entire path. Okay, now I'm pasting here, but now I'm not going to take as a locator. Now I'm going to use for another approach, that is a dollar. Okay, dollar, if you see the dollar selector permissions, if you see here the method information, right, the finding all the elements matching with the specified selector within the page. If no elements matches, the selector will return when resolve the to empty. Okay, it will give for all the values in an array format of this. Okay, now we are taking for entire array. Now again I'm going to expecting values, right? Now this up to here I will copy. Okay, I'm pasting here, and then inside that I'm going to use for length. Length is the my concept. Okay, to be means how much value we are expecting, 10 values. Okay, this is a 10 we are going to expect and validating for this. Okay, now again we can run and see. Now see, again it got passed. Okay, now this is another one, and another one, like we can check for which is the value it is presented inside our value drop down or not. If something like in options, you can able to see India or Brazil or China or Japan, anything, some value I want to check whether it is presented inside that particular drop down or not. How we can able to check? Okay, this also we can able to do for two ways. Okay, now we can able to say await page dot locator. Okay, page dot locator, we can take this particular one. Okay, this is the locator I'm going to take, and here there is a method called text contain. Text contain, this is the method we're going to read and store that entire information into a string format. Okay, now I'm going to make it for constant option equal. Okay, in this option, what are all the options I'm going to read storing here. Okay, now what I want to do, now I want to check this option is having for India or Brazil inside that particular options or not. Wait, expect, and inside that option dot includes is a method, it will returns it or it will search. Now see, returning true if searching string appears as a substring of the result of converting in this object of string. Anything you are going to converting, right, that will take and it will search what value you are going to search, and it will give you for the result as a true or false. If it is presented, it will give true. If it is not present, it will give us false. Okay, includes what I'm going to check in an India. Okay, India, I'm going to check whether that particular naming convention need to be a match. Okay, I'm going to check as this. Okay, and then we are going to use for to be truthfully. Okay, truthfully is a function to, if it is give true, then it will get expected it should be a pass, otherwise it will go as a fail. Okay, now again I'm running now. Okay, sorry, options, it is not Context is exact. It's previous we take the 10 elements to get the text, right? That's why it is not able to be expected properly now. Can you see the question mark and now we can find it. False. It is expected for, but it is not finding. 1 second, maybe it is expected as a capital letter. Most probably it will expecting for capital letter India, I guess. Yeah, now it will go false. Now, previous what happened? This is a small India, right? Like a value of that value we are specified a small I. Now it is expecting capital I. That's why it is got failed the previous. Now it is got passed. Okay. Now this is the way we can able to validate. And also in case now we are directly like taking for all the option in the string format, and then we are going to take right. Uh, and if you want to take the list of options value, and then we need to read one by one value, and then we can able to give some uh, if condition to verify, then we can able to make it as a expected true or false. This way also we can able to do. Then how we can able to do it, right? That particular options, like all the options to read. Now this option I'll take it. Okay. This one. Dollar options. Okay. And here I can specify the options. Okay. Now here what I can do now. Now I'm going to I need to read for all the values. For constant option of options. Now options. And here console dot log. If you want to print, if you want to print all the values, we can able to open dot text contents. Okay, text contents method, it will give you for all the values, it will read and it will provide for the values. Okay, now again I'm running. Now we can see whether we are able to read the complete values of it. Now you can see we have drop down values, it is but it is provided for permission pending. You can see now report location, 9 index position values. It is not extracting. It need to be displayed that all the values, but it is not displaying. Okay, no issues. But we can able to read all the values, right? Now again, if you inside this, we need to make some if condition. Okay, we need to make some if condition. If or we can let value equal to open dot text contents content. Okay, because we are going to storing value. Okay, if value dot include India. It is not working as expected. That sheet is coming and symbol text contains equal method also. If condition also is not working as expected. If value is compression appears to be unintended because the type permission string are now are overlapping a bit. Okay. Because of a weight purpose, it is not able to providing. Now you can see includes is can just for a weight issue. That's why we are not able to get the proper information. Then now we are able to. Okay. Now here we can check if it is matches for India, then we need to break something. Otherwise, we need to make it right. Before that, what we can able to say, let something status is equal to false. Okay. Now by default, false is the one. Okay. Now here, in case if India is matches, the status is equal to true. Okay. And then I need to break the loop. I need to break the loop. Okay. Once I break the loop, I want to come out of that loop. Okay. Once I then I need to make the expected before expected await expected, and then here we can able to use for status status dot to be filling. Sorry, truly, because we are verifying the truthly, right? True, we are going to verifying the condition. Okay. Now we are making like that particular option to be displayed here, and then we are going to check that particular whether the value is matched or not. Once it is matched, then we are going to do it. Okay. Now again, I'm going to run here. See now previous it is not displayed, right? Because of we are not used await. That's why it is not able to display. Now it is able to display, and also it is the test case got passed. Okay, this is the way we can able to check. Okay, and we'll see for later video session and a multiple selection how we can able to do it. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.